Welcome everyone, we are here at Data Cable in Orangeville, Ontario. We are going to take you through a virtual tour of our facility. So let's get started, let's come on inside, let's go. Okay, now that we're inside the building, this is the front end of our operation. This is where we handle all of our purchasing, quoting, customer service, and technical development. So let's take a walk down the hall and see if we can introduce you to some people who will be handling some of your issues. Okay, so we've received your quote from our quoting department, and so what we do now is we establish a production file where we go out for purchasing and we set up what we need to build the first piece so that we can get first piece approval and then move from there into full production. So now we have parts in full production, and at this point we have to make sure that we have all the parts that we need and we know the lead times that we have on these parts so that we can stay lean and accurately forecast when we can have product available. Rosalie is our purchasing manager. Hi Rosalie, how are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks.
Excellent, excellent. And she handles all of our purchasing needs and to make sure that we have what we need to go forward and build to build the material that we need. So let's head downstairs and we can see production in action. Here we are on the production floor. As you can see, it's bright and spacious. We have laid everything out in cellular format so that we can meet our customers' needs and stay lean. Our idea is to have everything that we need for a customer to minimize our travel distances and to maximize our throughput. As you can see, the machines, we've got 109 applicators. We have 17 different presses for those applicators for all of our automation needs. We have various wire strippers that can accommodate different lengths and gauges depending on the product that we're building at the time. We have a wire carousel at the back that you'll see so that we can keep a lot of our bulk wire in a very confined space. We also have that nice and close to an automated wire processing unit. We also have a Comax machine, which you'll be seeing, which can handle all of our high volume lead production. It can do everything from strip and tin to pinning contacts on one end, both ends, whatever the requirements are. So what we'll do now is take a walk through and see some of the machines and people in action. Let's go for a walk. This is one of our cutting areas. This is where we handle a lot of our lower gauge and smaller wire applications. Here, the wire based on the order is cut to length and stripped if necessary. And this is our label printing area. This is the area where we print off all the identification that we need for the material that we manufacture. Just recently, actually, we've invested a lot of money. We now have 6 thermal transfer printers that we can use for wraparound labels and for heat shrink labels. And this is our Kanban area. We offer various stocking programs and options to meet our customers' needs. Basically, as they order products, they can set the inventory level at which triggers us to build new product to make sure that we always keep a low level of inventory on the shelf to meet their needs. Now we're going to head into our inspection area. This is where we inspect all of our product before shipment. Come on in, just take a look. Our general practice for inspection is we 100% inspect for continuity and shorts testing, and we batch inspect for any dimensional and visual requirements. We are also flexible, of course, to meet the needs of the customer if they have any additional inspection requirements that they may need. This is our Comax machine. It handles all of our high volume lead production needs. This machine is capable of running between 2,000 and 4,000 leads an hour depending on the length of the lead and depending on how it's processed, whether we just do a strip, whether we terminate one end, both ends. We also have the capability of tinning one end. So yeah, this is where we do a lot of our high volume lead production. Now that you've had a chance to see some of the services Data Cable has to offer, we welcome the opportunity to be a solution for your cable and harness needs. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you soon.